Opening shot of a chemistry lab with a scientist holding a test tube. Chemical bonding is the foundation of all chemistry. It is the force that holds atoms together and forms molecules, which are the building blocks of all matter. Cut to a close-up shot of an atom model. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The electrons are responsible for chemical bonding. Cut to an animation of an electron orbiting around the nucleus. Electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit around the nucleus of an atom. Cut to a shot of different types of atoms. Atoms can either share or transfer electrons in order to form chemical bonds. Cut to an animation of an ionic bond forming between two atoms. When atoms transfer electrons, they form ionic bonds. Cut to a shot of a table of elements. The type of bond that forms depends on the properties of the atoms involved. Cut to an animation of a covalent bond forming between two atoms. Covalent bonds form when atoms share electrons. Cut to a shot of different types of molecules. The arrangement of atoms in a molecule is determined by the type of chemical bond that forms between them. Cut to a shot of a Lewis structure. Lewis structures can be used to predict the arrangement of atoms in a molecule. Cut to an animation of a Lewis structure of a water molecule. For example, the Lewis structure of a water molecule shows that it has a bent shape, with two hydrogen atoms bonded to an oxygen atom. Cut to a shot of a ball and stick model of a molecule. Ball and stick models can also be used to represent the shape of a molecule. Cut to a shot of a scientist in a lab. Understanding chemical bonding and molecular structure is important for scientists in many fields, from pharmaceuticals to materials science. Closing shot of the scientist holding a test tube. By studying chemical bonding and molecular structure, scientists are able to create new materials and develop new treatments for diseases. End screen with credits and a link to further resources.